Hello everyone. To access the MEPAiA web portal, first navigate to portal.mepaia.ai. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by clicking on the Register button. You can choose between individual registration or organization registration that is recommended for companies. This allows you to purchase and manage licenses for multiple employees. After submitting the form, check your inbox for a verification link to confirm your identity. Then you are ready to go. This is a home screen of your web portal. At top bar, you access notifications. You can toggle your theme settings. You can select the language, and you have account or logout option. On the left, you have sidebar navigation. Use the sidebar to switch between pages. On the shop page, you can browse available licenses to buy. To purchase a license, click on Buy Now. This will open a checkout window where you can securely enter your payment details and complete the transaction. When you finish, click Pay to finalize the transaction. After a successful purchase, your new license will be immediately active and visible in the Licenses tab. Before downloading the application, we will go through other pages. With notifications, you will stay updated with the latest alerts. Here, you can create support tickets. If you have issues, just create a ticket. Fill in details and our team will get back to you shortly. In the Docs page, you can access essential files, including detailed installation guide in PDF form. On the billing portal, you can save your paying methods and speed up future purchases. Now, we'll go to Downloads page. There, you'll see all available versions of MEPAiA. Make sure the Revit is closed before you start it. You'll run Installer by clicking Download button. This will run the executable file from your browser. Next, you choose the destination folder. Here you will select where the program shortcut will be placed. You can also choose if you want the shortcut icon on your desktop. This is the finish. Complete the setup and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching.